emergency.
Yes. Can you imagine just watching someone explode for no reason in front of you? Tasty. Hello everyone. Today we're going to be watching Chainsaw Man episode 9. And we ended on a pretty major cliffhanger last time where everyone kind of died. So hoping that's not the case. Really hoping Himeno doesn't die because I like her. I think she's kind of cool. But let's get started.
MAKIMA?
Well, no. I mean, of course she lives, but yeah. But let's get started and see if they live.
魔人が逃げたぞ。
目的はチェーンソーの心臓だ。追わなくていい。
Is he talking about power?
I assume so.
Well, I don't know if this means she's alive, but maybe.
That was useful.
次は真っ二つにしてやる。
心臓は傷つけないで。
なんかわかんねえけど。てめえらが悪いやつだってことだ。
You think?
なんとなく
Oh, honey. Oh, my baby
悪
is
いや
not
つは
right.
好きだぜ。ぶっ殺しても誰も文句言わねえからな。
もう一回殺してやろう。
Some epic battle music.
It is. I really enjoy this.
And intro. Is that dude in the background a shark?
こちら沢渡。
Wonder who
練馬に
she's
したいビル3
reporting
階で
back
チェーン
to.
ソーと戦
That's
っ
a
てい
great
る。
question.
援護しに来い。
You know, getting that sword through his head couldn't have felt good.
No.
Go! My special move! Thugs!
It was not very effective.
こいつてめえの仲間だろ。
それならどうした？
おお、1ミリでも動いてみ
I
な。
don't think he's gonna
お
care.
仲間のお顔が大ミンチになるぜ。
くっさ野郎。
Oh.
This is a trap.
そうそう。
Trap.
そこで座
This
っ
is
て
a
な。
trap. Yep.
Sure is.
消えた。
Classic.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh.
Well, that sucks.
Yeah.
こいつを運ぶ。さっさと車を持ってこい。チェーンソーのお仲間は全員撃ち殺したはずだ
What
が。
is happening?
Looks that way, yeah.
Okay, series over, I guess.
We don't know if Digi could, like, regenerate or whatever.
デビルハンター
He
も人
did
だ
when he transformed.
Yeah.
銃には勝てんだろう。
Massive L's around the board.
Yeah.
Is this just to, like, make the gun devil more powerful? Because, like, they're killing them all with guns? Oh, Makima's fine. Yeah. I mean, we knew that, but...
Yeah.
I think if I shot someone and then she's standing behind me all of a sudden, I would crap my pants.
Same.
東京で特1課2課3課4課が襲撃されたらしいです。
あ？
マジ？マキマさん死んでる？
Everyone on that train is gonna be dead except Makima.
I'd say you're right, yeah. Oh well, she left the civilians alive at least.
Yeah.
Hello.
黒瀬くん、天童ちゃん、新幹線内で銃撃にあった。死体があるから片
She's
付け
so
させて。
calm.
She is.
会食は中
The
止。
lunch
The
meeting
lunch
is
meeting
東京
is
での銃
canceled.
撃がマキマさん、そ
You
の血
know,
は
I don't
どこか撃
Yeah,
たれ
it's
ましたか？
fine.
I don't like
これは
her,
帰
but
り
she
中。
is a boss.
私は撃たれなかった。
Yes. You weren't shot. Yes, you were. Oh, maybe she doesn't want them to know about her powers.
Whatever they may be.
Makes sense. Yeah. I want to know about her powers.
向こうはかなり混乱しているようで、正確な情報はまだ来ていません。
おそらく敵の目的はデンジ君だ。ここで対応しよう。黒瀬君、法務省から終身刑以上の犯罪者を30人ほど借りてきて。天童ちゃん、近くにあるできるだけ標高が高い神社を一つ貸し切って。あとは
Kind of reminds me of
私の
Elle.
着替えもお願いします。
Yeah, it's fair. But I like Elle a lot more.
I don't.
マキマさん、そろそろ到着します。
ありがとう天童ちゃん。すぐに行きます。
Where is this?
Well, she said she was taking
You
them
just-
to a temple with a high elevation.
Yeah, but why?
しばらく俺はもう戦えねえぞ。
重い。お前も手
They
伝
at least bring his
はい
legs.
はいはいはい。
So
Doesn't
そっ
look
ちも
like
て
it.
that's not.
どこ持ちゃいいんだよ。
Does she control the crows?
おいおい持てよ。
なんか
You should know being a crow yourself.
テンパってんじゃねえ。持て。
変な感じってどういう？
All right then.
And that's when I would piss myself. Right there. Right there.
Who did that?
いい班、C 班に再度マキマの死亡を確認させろ。
They know it's Makima.
She can remotely do that? That's
さっきから
terrifying.
C 班との連絡が取れない。
Oh my god.
Wow. Again, don't really like her, but she is pretty awesome.
I love her. Oh, that's cool. Incredibly OP, but why do these people need to be here?
Maybe they die with the.
Well, I was thinking that, but it doesn't look like any of them are dead.
一階のデビルハンターやと契約している悪魔を知ることは許されない。
I wish you did though.
You just want to know.
三島修造と言いなさい。
三島修造。
さっさとチェーンソー運べ。
Before we all explode.
おい、車に運べ。
Think
おい、
think
聞い
it's
てるのか。
exploding time.
I love it that she's just like
Oh.
her hands.
She's
like,
having some. She's having some fun with that one.
So they do die.
井上隆と言いなさい。
She's giving me some light vibes now.
Yeah, she's definitely more a light than an ale character.
Absolutely. And I'm here for it. Oh my god. Just imagine seeing that.
Yes. Can you imagine just watching someone explode for no reason in front of you?
And then two more people. Like, it happening once would be strange enough.
That's traumatic. That girl is having a bad day.
I mean, at least it's not happening to her.
Yeah. But can you imagine someone pulling a gun on you and then they explode?
I mean, I'd be thankful.
I would too.
止まった
Sucks she has to, like, kill other people to do that.
Yeah.
外してよし。
Not phased at all.
No.
こ
Happy
こで
even.
私ができることは終わりました。東京に戻ります。
She said 30, but there are definitely not 30 there.
こんなデタラメな力
He's
は多分
saving
マ
some
キマ
for
だ
later. Oh, it's everyone's favorite psychopath.
Yeah, for real. Glad she didn't die either.
To the old lady. Oh, I kind of liked him, even though he should have been let go.
Yeah.
Well,
But now the psychopath gets to live.
あ
joy.
なたたち銃撃犯ですよね。
ヘリスポッ
Does the snake come from her nail polish?
Well, her nails aren't polished until, like, the snake appears, and I kind of thought it was blood.
Maybe. Hey,
She's good. Oh, well.
let me grab my meat shield real quick.
Right?
車の中ですね
Die in the van.
You'd think that. Oh wait, no, this is just a random van, I think. I was gonna say if that was their van, you'd think it had bulletproof glass.
Yeah. Lieutenant Dan, you ain't got no legs.
この間は殺そうとしてごめんね。
He's gonna be like, it's fine. No.
She really is a
殺そ
psycho.
うとしてごめんって。なんだそれ。
How far have I fallen? Man, if she did that, like, panting like that in front of Makima, she might get some respect points.
She might.
You know Makima loves her dogs.
She does. Wow, savage.
Bye, Granny. See you in hell.
もうダメだ。
You should
こんな仕
quit.
事してたらおかしくない。
Yeah, she should.
I've never believed someone should quit a job as much
姫
as
の
that
先
girl.
輩に会ったらやめるっていう。
Oh! Hey, listen.
Good, good.
Um,
まどかくん、生きててよかった。得意かだ
like
けを
how no
狙っ
one's
た銃で
questioning
の
this
襲
guy
撃。
about the blood
銃
all
の悪魔
over
が
him.
関わっているだろうね。
It's fine. Happens all the time.
上から通達です。人員不足のため特異1課2課3課は4課と合併。以降公安大麻特異4課を牧間さんの指揮下に置きます。
Okay.
Not faced. She's the real psychopath here. Come on.
あとこれを
何？
Probably.
僕の辞表です。
My resignation.
やめちゃうの？
得意課がきな臭くなってきました。辞める
You
か
just
殺
now
されるか
figuring
の
that
二択
out?
です。
そう。
He's not gonna like that.
She doesn't seem phased.
No, but she's keeping it all on the inside.
最後に教えてください。牧間さんは今回の事態をどこまで想定していましたか？
一般市民に公安の内部事情を教えられないな。
Oh man, that's cold.
まどかくん、今までありがとう。これ渡しておくね。
You should have asked her first.
You should have asked before you quit.
Yep.
マキマさん、
俺たち得意課に入るわけやないですからね。
残念。東京は美味しいお店がたくさんあるのに。
She's so strange.
With that could mean like, let's go eat, and afterwards I'm gonna kill you.
She's so strange. Just, though I do like her power, like the crushing with her hands. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Thank you for joining us today. That was quite a crazy episode. I'm glad everyone's not dead, but a lot of people are still dead. And I'm still very concerned for the ones that may be dead.
Yeah, they didn't really say if Himeno is alive or dead. I just realized, sorry.
No, I'm betting dead. Betting dead.
Yeah, probably.
But yeah, I hope she's alive. But yeah, please let us know what you think about this episode. And if you liked it, if you enjoyed your time with us, please subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.